everyone, welcome to RPIIT Academics. I am Avika, working as an assistant professor in Department of Pharmacy. Today we are going to discuss about the factors affecting the solubility of the precipitate. As in the previous video, we have already discussed about the solubility product. So today we will discuss the factors which affect the solubility of the precipitates. Suppose precipitates are formed and there will be some factors that will affect that precipitate. First one is effect of temperature. As temperature increases, the solubility of the precipitates also increases. As the temperature goes down, the solubility will be down or solubility will decrease and precipitates will form. Next is effect of the solvent on solubility. Solvent which we are using for the precipitation titration also affects the solubility of the product. The solubility of most of the organic compounds reduced by the addition of organic solvent such as methanol, ethanol and propanol, etc. So the solvent which is used can reduce or sometimes can enhance the solubility of some of the compounds. Next is effect of electrolyte on solubility. The precipitate tend to be more soluble in an electrolyte solution. If we are using an electrolytic solution, then precipitate will be more soluble in that as compared to the normal solution, provided that the electrolyte contain no ions in common with the precipitate. But there is a condition that there should not be any common ion in the electrolytic solution with the analyte. That analyte we are adding to the electrolytic solution, which should not have common ions with the electrolytic solution. Next is our common ion effect. What is common ion effect? That as we were discussing, there should not be any common ion. If we are adding some analyte in the water, then there should not be any common ion. The solubility of a salt can be decreased by adding an excess of either of its ion, either cation or either anion. If excess of some ion is there, then solubility can be decreased, and the precipitate dissolve more easily in water than in solution containing common ions. So these were the factors which affect the solubility of our product. In the next video, we will discuss the titration curves for the precipitation titration. So till then, have a nice day. Thank you.